Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making crystals. Let's get started.
Yeah.
So I have these little rock thingies in different colors, and I have this container, and I put a background to it, and I have some tin foil down there, and I have to like make these into like pea size apparently, and I can't cut it. It's really hard. It's like, so I got a sharper knife. Let's see how this goes. So I cut it the best I could. So there's like small pieces there, which is pretty good. So we take these liquids that say growing solution and we pour it in here, both of them, and mix it for 1 quart. Don't forget to add some lukewarm water into your poison. Now we take a straw and we mix the poison. Now we're gonna pour this liquid into the sink where now that the liquid's in, I'm gonna use a straw to make sure that no rocks are touching each other.
Minutes later.
Now it's time to check on our crystals. It's been probably like 20 minutes. Let's go see them. Guys, the crystals are growing. So that concludes our crystal making experience. I give this box a 10 out of 10. I mean, it shows this picture. We basically got that, which looks pretty similar to this. I think it was really fun to make. You should all try it at home. So with that being said,